You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Belgian author, writer. So how do you say it? In French, Jean Bertholet, Bertholet. So in English you could say it as Jean Bertholet, Jean Bertholet, silent T at the end. Jean Bertholet. More videos for you here to learn more names from literature many mispronounce. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.